16 divided by 8 equals 2, and here 4 divided by 2 also equals 2. 2 divided by 2, that gives us 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. According to the rules, we have to work from left to right to solve them. So let's solve this division first, because that's the leftmost. 16 divided by 8, that gives us 2. Our expression simplifies to 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. Now we need to solve this division, because that's on the left side. We can write it as 2 over 4, and then we have divide by 2 present from the original expression, which can be written as 2 over 1. Now this 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2, so 2 divided by 4, that equals 1 over 2, and then we have divide by 2 over 1 present from the original expression. Now we have a division operator in between two fractions. What we can do is we can use KCF rule here to solve this, and what that means is K means keep, which means we keep 1 over 2 as it is. C is for change, which means we change the operator from division to multiplication, and F stands for flip, which means we flip the fraction 2 over 1 as 1 over 2. And now we have multiplication operator in between, and all we need to do is multiply the numerator and multiply the denominators. So 1 times 1, that gives us 1, and 2 times 2, that gives us 4. So 1 over 4 is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.